farmers. He stood with the girl child. He stood with the Dalits. He stood with economically weaker section people. And he stood with the women of every religion and caste. You all know that he was also with the street vendors. He got houses done for many of us. Many of those people who are economically backward and who are from the Dalit background. He has got the street vendors, a small quick loans for them. And after which he encouraged them with first initial 10,000, the next 20,000. He also took care of the small little girl child by Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And he also stood up for the integrity and dignity of the women by getting many shauchalayas done for them. And there are many people who are homeless, for whom he has got in Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. They are so in a huge and a large number that he has not left even one sect and the community of this entire country. So, under his able guidance and in his leadership, where the India has progressed to come to the fifth level economically in the international standards, we are looking forward for the beloved Prime Minister this time that we are going to really hit and make it charge for far, and we're definitely going to take it all the way till number one at the international level. He has been extremely supportive on the technology side. Even on the defense side, he has really progressed this country. On the medical side, we all know that during the COVID time, it was India which has made a fantastic vaccine. It has been given to the most developed nations of this world. Looking forward, we are also looking that, like all these programs shall be continued further to ensure and establish that we also ensure that the women should become empowered. That is 33.3% given by him. The instant triple talaq removed by him. The Article 370 which has been removed to give the dignity to entire Kashmir and make us feel the entire country that Kashmir is part of us and we are part of Kashmir. And more so over the most prestigious, the fight that entire Karsevaks have done for the Ram Janmabhoomi. He has gave a beautiful conclusion by keeping our honor and our integrity of our Hindutva by even doing the Prana Pratishthapana of Bal Ramchandra. In this way, he has done so many things in a very short period of 10 years that it can run into infinity. And we always look forward that our Prime Minister is the only sole solution for this country, for sabka vikas, sabka saath or sabka vikas or sabka vishwas. We need such Prime Minister so that the country would just stand as a great example for the whole world.
So now it has come down to the BJP's Sankalp Patra versus the Congress's Nyay Patra. So do you think the Sankalp Patra would tackle the Nyay Patra?
He is not the Nyay Patra has cheated and taken away the 4 pillars of BJP. Who gave the Dalit? Who gave youth name? Who gave farmers name? Who gave female, Yuvati name? Mahila, Dalit, Yuva, Kisan. चारों वो लोग कॉपी मार लिए ना. What did they add? Economic weaker. Is there no economic weaker in women? Is there no economic weaker in a farmer? Is there no economic weaker in Dalit? Is there no economic weaker in youth? What is another thing they have done? They just added one more economic weaker. Well, I would just request Congress, please stop cheating this. Please try to be at some point of time creative. When would you be creative? You just would want to be a copycat. You better be so. People know whom to choose.
Bharat Mata Ki!